Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURTRY. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody guys. In the second video today we will take a look at a bit exotic currency pair. So this will be the Turkish lira to the euro, and it's one of our forumers, Rahman, has asked me to my opinion on the technical situation on this currency because it's in the elections on Sunday in Turkey, and it really could raise a significant volatility because there are some contradiction exists between the Tayyip Erdogan view on the borrowing, on the cost of borrowing, and the real situation in the economy that's really hit significantly. So I have checked around for the just among the major currencies in the gold market, so nothing really new there. That's why I thought, why not? So let's take a look at the Turkish lira and see what's going on here. Well, guys, and we will take a look at just on the short-term situation. And here I think that currency pair should jump a bit higher. So the most probable pattern that could be formed here will be currently cheaper to sell. It was with the targets 173, with the 573 is XOP. OP stands very close to the 550 approximately, but it's too close. And taking into consideration the coming elections, it's probably a bit more volatility will be, and probably the jump through this level will happen. So I think that probably the action to the XOP is more probable. Besides, XOP around XOPs will be the weekly overbought area. So chances that market will exceed this top is not really significant, at least on the next week. Particularly by this reason, I do not take into consideration the possible butterfly sell, because for the butterfly we need to action above this top. Maybe this could happen, but definitely not in the next week. And from that standpoint, I would suggest that probably it will be action to the upside. It probably will continue, but hardly it will be greater than the 573. So it's currently cheaper to sell could be formed on the next week on the Turkish lira. So taking a look at the intraday charts on the 4-hour time frame chart, here's the reason why I think that the upward action will follow, just because we have clear signs of the bullish dynamic pressure here. So you'll plot the MACD predictor, you'll see that market stands flat, trend has shifted bearish, but price action is not. The market is forming high bottoms. This is very classic, this is typical sign of the bullish dynamic pressure and suggests action above this area. So although we have here the OP, well, some chance exists that market could stop at the OP, but taking into consideration the strength of the previous action, I think that action to the XOP really could follow if it will be supported by the results of the election in weekend. But definitely it's all situation that we see right now on the daily chart, on the 4-hour time frame chart, it suggests further upward continuation on the Turkish lira within this week and maybe in the beginning of the next week as well. So that's what I see right now on this currency.